How to change Facebook profile nickname. So as you can see right here on my profile, I have the nickname of Up. So if I want to change that, I need to click right here on Edit Profile, then scroll all the way down to the bottom until you can see this Edit Your About info on the bottom. Click on this. Now scroll down until you can see the nickname option. So just scroll down until you can see it. So if you can see it as well, you can just head over to the About option. But after you see right here, it's under the other name, and then click on this pencil icon, click on this edit name, and we can actually change that. So for example, let's put in here AGS, which is our acronym. Click on save right here, and then click on OK right here, and then let's head back, and then let's head back again and refresh this, and as you can see, our profile nickname has been changed. So that's how you change Facebook profile nickname. Hope we helped.